Today we shall discuss exercise 3.6. The first question is 8x minus 3 upon 3x equal to. Using cross multiplication method, we can write 8x minus 3 equal to into 3x. So it will be 8x minus 3 equals 6x. On transposing 6x to the left hand side and minus 3 to the right hand side, we get 8x minus 6x equal 3. Subtracting 6x from 8x, we get 2x equal 3. So x equal 3 upon 2. This is our answer. Now come to the question number 2. It is 9x upon 7 minus 6x equal 15. We can use cross multiplying method. So it will be 9x equal 15 into 7 minus 6x. This 7 minus x is multiplied with 15. There is no number in the denominator, so it can be 1. 1 is multiplied to 9x, so it will be same to same. So this is our cross multiplying method. 9x is multiplied with 1 and 15 is multiplied with 7 minus 6x. Here 15 is multiplied with 7 and then 15 is multiplied with 6x. So it will be 9x equal 15 7 ja 105 and minus 15 6 ja 90x. On transposing this 90x to the left hand side, we get 9x plus 90x equal 105. So it will be 99x equal 105 and 105 divided by 99. Dividing numerator and denominator by 3, we get 3 3 ja 9 and 3 5 ja 15 and 3 3 ja 9 and 3 3 ja 9. It can also be written as 1 whole 2 upon 33. This is our answer. Now come to the question number 3. It is z upon z plus 15 equal 4 upon 9. So using cross multiplication method, we get 9 is multiplied with z and 4 is multiplied with z plus 15. So it will be 4 into z plus 4 into 15. Now it can be written as 9z equal 4z plus 15 4 ja 60. Now subtracting 4z from 9z, we have 9z minus 4z equals 60. So it will be 5z equals 60 and z equal 60 upon 5. Dividing 60 by 5, we get z equal 12. So this is our answer. Now come to the question number 4. It is 3y plus 2, 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y, 2 minus 6y equal minus 2 upon 5. So using cross multiplication method, we can write 5 into 3y plus 4 equal minus 2 is multiplied with 2 minus 6y. 5 is multiplied with 3y minus 4 and 2 minus 6y is multiplied with minus 2. So this is our cross multiplication method. Now solving the brackets, we get 5 into 3y plus 5 into 4. In the right hand side, minus 2 is multiplied with 2, and when minus 2 is multiplied with minus 6y, it will be plus sign, and 2 into 6y. 5 is multiplied 3y, so it will be 15 by 5 4 is 20 equal 2 2 ja 4, it is minus 4, and 2 6 ja 12 y. Now transposing 12 by to the left hand side and transposing plus 20 to the right hand side, we get 15 by minus 12 by equal minus 4 and minus 20. Subtracting 12 by from 15 by, we get 3 by equal minus 24. So by equal minus 24 and divided by 3. Hence by equal 3 8 is 24. So it will be minus 8. This is our answer. Now come to the question number 5. It will be 7 by plus 4 and y plus 2 equal to minus 4 upon 3. Using the cross multiplication method, we have 3 is multiplied with 7 by plus 4. So 3 is multiplied with 7 by plus 4. And y plus 2 is multiplied with minus 4. So we write minus 4 into y plus 2. On solving these brackets, we get 3 into 7 by plus 3 into 4 equal minus 4 into y and minus 4 into 2. 3 is multiplied with 7 by, so here we get 21 by. 3 4 are 12, so we write plus 12, and this changes into minus 4y, and it becomes 4 to the 8. Now transposing plus 12 to the right hand side and minus 4y to the left hand side, we get 21 by plus 4y equal minus 8 and minus 12. It is 25y and it is 20, minus 20. So y equal minus 20 divided by 25 On simplifying this rational number using 5, we get 5 4 is 20 and 5 5 is 25. So it becomes minus 4 upon 5. This is our answer. Now come to the question number 6. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. So let the age of Hari, present age of Hari, let the present age of Hari equal 5x years, and the present age of Harry, it is equal to 7x years. 4 years from now, it means 4 years later. So 4 years from now, the age of Hari, the age of Hari equal 5x plus 4. And the age of Harry, it will be 7x plus 4. The ratio of their ages will be 3:4. So we can write 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4 equal 3:4. It means 3/4. Now using cross multiplication method, we have 4 into 5x plus 4 equal 3 into 7x plus 4. On solving these brackets, we get 4 into 5x plus 4 into 4 equal 3 into 7x plus 3 into 4. It becomes 20x plus 16 equal 21x plus 12. On subtracting or we transposing, we get 21x equal 12 minus 16. So it is minus x and it is minus 4. Cancellation, it is minus from left and right, we get x equal 4. So the present age of Hari, present age of Hari, it is 4, it is 5x. So 5 into 4 equal 20 years. Similarly, present age of Harry, it is 7x. So it will be 7 into 4, it is 28 years. These are our answers. Now Come to the question number 7. So this is our 7th question, the last question of the exercise. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. So let the numerator of the rational number is small x. Let the numerator of the rational number is equal to x and the denominator of the rational number it will be x plus 8 because denominator is greater than the numerator by 8. So it will be x plus 8. Hence the number will be equal to x upon x plus 8. If the numerator is increased by 17, so new numerator becomes x plus 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, so new denominator becomes x plus 8 minus 1 and it is equal to number obtained by us, so it can be written as 3 by 2. Here we can write x plus 17 upon x plus 7 because 1 is subtracted from 8 equal 3 upon 2. Now using cross multiplication method we have 2 into x plus 17 equal 3 into x plus 7. So it becomes 2 into x plus 2 into 17, 3 into x plus 3 into 7. Now it can be written as 2x plus 34 equal 3x plus 21. On transposing 3x to the left hand side and 34 to the right hand side, we get 2x minus 3x equal 21 minus 34. So it will be minus x and it is 13. On cancelling both minus, we get x equal 13. Hence the number is, the rational number will be, it is x upon x plus 8. So it will be 13 upon 13 plus 8 and it becomes 13 upon 21. This is our answer. I hope this video is very useful for you. Thank you very much for watching.